Hello and welcome along people to another one of my little videos. This is effectively my route home from work. Well, not strictly speaking, this is more of the scenic route home from work. A little bit of experimenting going on here, hopefully you enjoy it anyway. Take care and enjoy the ride. Apologies in advance about the audio on this video. Really sorry. I've had to do another voiceover, which I really don't like doing. Yeah, I'm really struggling with the microphone on my helmet. It's rubbish. Welcome along to some motorcycle relaxation therapy. Put on your helmet and your motorcycle gear. Ride down a twisty little leafy back road and relax. The stress seems to fall away. I love it. Cannot fix your problems sometimes. All you need is two wheels and a motorbike. Sign says, just coming into Thaxted. Thaxted is a absolutely beautiful little village. The only thing that spoils Thaxted is the constant stream of aircraft going in and out of Stansted Airport. It's a lovely little village. Proper gorgeous. apologise about the absolutely rubbish audio. I'm still struggling with the mic in my helmet. Anyway, what I wanted to say along this piece of road along here, concentrate while I get around this corner, is I absolutely love Essex. It's a fabulous place to live and a wonderful place to ride my motorbike. When I ride my motorbike to work, it takes about 20 minutes, but coming home this way, and obviously the more scenic route, it takes about an hour, I think. But who cares how long it takes if the roads are as twisty, windy and as picturesque as this. Next village to pass through on my way home will be Finchinfield. Lots of ducks and places you can get a coffee and an ice cream and a sandwich. Nice place to visit on a weekend, but try not to upset the locals. I don't think they like us much. Favourite house. Just likes the looks of it. Okay, so occasionally you're going to hear my voice being recorded on the helmet mic. Unfortunately, the audio isn't clear enough or crisp enough to just let it play on its own, so I've decided to overdub with this audio, which is not great, but it's better than nothing.